Oh. Too much. Son of a gun. In the water.
Not bad. Not bad. Oh, sit, sit, sit. You're good.
Pretty nice.
Oh, too much.
Well,
Get up.
you get across?
I didn't see it come down.
Paul's out. A little too hard.
These muscles. Started off to the right.
Oh, I tell you, you're taking it easy, but I lifted my head up. Damn it.
Oh, sorry. Oh, you gotta get that on video, don't you?
Missed the putt.
Was a mistake.
He's doing this so he can blackmail you so you have to be good
yeah.
to his daughters.
It's like that episode of Seinfeld where that guy was shitty at tennis, you remember? He's like, so please just let me beat you. Come on, Paul. For Rachel's sake. It's one brother or another brother. He knows he's on video right now.
Yeah.
He's milking it. Look, he's milking that every time. Come on, man.
I'm gonna run out of film.
Exactly.
While we're young, bro. Matt, you got it up there. Oh, you're on, dude.
It had to be that shot.
You had to videotape that shit, didn't you? Alright, let's do this one more time. Three's the charm. Woo!
All right, no more beer for him. No more beer for O.
There's a bunch of CBS watching me. Alright, here it is. Got Jim.
Nice
Finally. Good
Great
job.
shot.
That's a simple shot.
Would
Any
you
comments?
Yeah. Would you like me to record you making this birdie putt?
Good one, Paul.
I saw it. I saw it, but I don't know where it's. I saw some.
You got cheese on that dog or what?
This is all mushroom mash.
I wanted a little bit of video that actually showed some coordination among you guys. And, you know, you can eat those dogs. They're pretty well coordinated. The golf shots, who knows?
That was horrible.
Yeah.
That wasn't coordinated.
Are you cameraing me again?
Who did I meet the other day? Vicky. You said she worked here full time and I've never seen her before?
She doesn't work here full time.
That's what
She
she
worked
told me.
full time during the summer.
Oh.
But you guys weren't here during the summer because it was too hot.
You know what? You're right. We missed, I bet, 6 weeks we
Yeah,
weren't
you
out
did.
here.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
did.
so that's when she was here.
Am I going to be on like
YouTube?
YouTube or Facebook or something or what?
You know, you can be on whatever you want.
YouTube. Oh, Neil.
You get to choose. It's
I get to choose.
it's pick a media.
Pick a media.
Uh-huh.
Pick a media as long as my clothes are on.
Well, you get a shot from the back here. We might- Ooh. You better hope she doesn't see that one.
She didn't hear me.
Okay. Good shot?
Has it come down yet?
Yes, it was a great shot.
Did it go in the hole?
Yeah, what is it?
I was tired of using that ball anyway.
That's what I always say with those things.
Trying to clean it, right?
Yeah. Oh, man. Why didn't I just use an iron? Line.
Are you passing ladies' tees?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
No,
Hello,
you
Mr.
don't want
Happy.
that- turn that off.
Oh, high fly ball to left field.
Stay inbound.
How about that?
That'll be on the house.
Inbounds?
Yeah.
It stayed inbound. I can't believe it.
It's a miracle.
Yeah. Hey.
It's inbounds.
I didn't even know that thing was on.
Way to go, O.
Oh, thanks. Finally.
Way to keep
one
that
thing
ball in
about
play.
He still got me on record over there.
You know,
That's a good shot.
It was a good shot.
That's a great shot. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So what do you guys think so far? We're going to set a course record here today, or what?
Record.
Course record?
Shooting at 20 in the next 2 holes.
That would be a course record.
Didn't tell you what kind of course record. It might be the opposite, but it's a course record.
The high for the course? I think, Ray, do we hold the high for the course or what?
No, we come close.
Okay.
We come very close. Get up there. Get up. Sit there.
Well, I wasn't expecting it.
There goes another shot at a birdie.
I'll have another shot. Now I gotta just make par. There you go. Yeah.
Nice par, Orlando.
Yeah, nice par. Nice par. Second best. Come on there. Yeah. Golf clap before you hit it. How good it is. Still out there. Thank you. He's like, tip the cap. We want a little tip of the cap.
Yeah.
There it is. There it is.
Oh man, put it back on. Bright. It's so bright.
This is gonna make this one count. It's my last one. Making it count. Ah! Who called water?
You know that looks green? That is water. Yeah.
That's my professional.
Nice smooth pine.
That sucks. Oh well, it was fun. God! Oh, you're videotaping that too?
And this prayer starts out with, oh God.
Oh God. The intensity in his face. In there. Oh, dude, you just burned it, man. That was awesome. You almost had it. You almost had it.
All right, guys, let's get along here.
I beat you that one, Paul. Saw it.
Well,
You know when you're going this. Did you?
two good things. I enjoyed playing with everybody.
Yeah.
Number one. Number two,
Yeah.
I'm alive.
I saw it in Vegas.
So do you turn 40 this year?
Well, I'm actually
Or you turn
I'm one of
40.
the younger ones in my class, so I'm not until June of next year.
So you turn 40 in June?
Yeah. You're right behind me, bro. So much.
Oh, I got plenty of time.
Paul, you turn 40 your next birthday?
Nope.
39?
Nope.
38?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Holy cow. Yeah.
There's no use me asking you.
Yeah, I think I've already done those.